HEB Flying Saucy Mango Habanero. That's right, y'all. So right here what we have, these were cooked in the Weber Kettle. These were cooked in the air fryer. Two totally different cooks. We're going to check both these out today. Whichever video you watch, the other one will be at the end of this video as a link. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Let's get this thing rolling. Whew, she rolling now. Wing sauce, salsa para alitas. That'd be sauce for wings. Yeah, Papa speaks Spanish. All right. Woo. At this point, what we're going to do, we're going to spray some Evo spray olive oil. It's not spraying. At this point, we're just spraying a little bit of olive oil with my Evo. Thanks, Booger. And that kind of crisps up the skin a little bit. They're going to cook a little longer. It's been about 12 minutes right now. Alright, at this point, these naked babies are coming off. We're going to go put that mango habanero sauce on them. Alright, here we go with the Flying Saucy Mango Habanero. Let's give it a sniff. Man. I can taste the mango. I smell vinegar. And it smells freaking hot. Okay? Oh, Papa. There we go. This one is from the Weber Kettle. This one is from the air fryer. We're going to try one from the Weber Kettle. Alright, let's go with this and see if it's hot. It smells hot. Actually, it tastes hot, but it tastes kind of good. Yes, it's hot. Alright, over here, air fryer one. I prefer these. Actually, is it hot? It's a little bit hot, but Tom can handle it. It's a little tingy on me, but it's good. It's good stuff. It's Papa. Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. See ya.